Ready to survive and thrive in 2021? In this program, you'll learn how to make a germ grenade from paracord and hand sanitizer and how to make your own stress ball. Pick-me-up kits are available while supplies last and include project materials, a cotton face mask and 2 fabric markers, and a 100 grand candy bar as a stimulus. See program description for details. First up, make your own stress ball. For this project, you'll need the balloon, water beads, and the funnel. It would also be helpful to have a bowl, a measuring cup, and scissors. Measure a cup to a cup and a half of water. Open your water beads and add them to your bowl. Then add your water. The beads will absorb the water. This is a few minutes later. This is a few more minutes later. And this is overnight. These beads are ready for your stress ball, but as long as you leave them for about 4 hours, they'll be ready. Next, you'll create a funnel by cutting the end off of your cone. Then take the opening of your balloon and fit it securely into the bottom of your funnel. Now it's time to get your water beads inside the balloon to create your stress ball. I thought it was easiest to put the last few beads in by hand, but there are several methods for putting the water beads inside the balloon. Do whatever works best for you. Once you're happy with the amount of water beads in your balloon, tie it off and you're done. Enjoy! I hope it helps. Now it's time to make a germ grenade. For this project, you'll need the hand sanitizer, paracord, rubber band, and carabiner. Unwrap your paracord and find the middle. Then take the right strand and pull it up toward the left and behind and around, sort of creating a loop on the left-hand side. Then you'll take the left strand, put it under the right, and pull it. You've got 10 feet of paracord, so there's a lot here at the beginning. And you'll feed it through the loop that you made on the left-hand side and pull it sort of tight. This will go over the mouth of the bottle. So get your bottle and put that loop over it and then sort of tighten it up toward the top. And pull your 2 strands under the bottle and flip it over, and now get your rubber band. Put that on the bottom to hold the strands securely. To get the pattern started, you'll take your right strand and pull it to the left, but making a loop on the right side. Then you'll take your left strand and you'll feed it under the 2 strands in the center and then up through the loop you made on the right. Pull it tight. Once that side is tight, flip it over. Take your right strand, go underneath the center strands, and leave it up high, creating a sort of loop on the right-hand side. Then you'll take your left strand. It will go low, but it will go over both center strands and through the loop that you made on the right side. The first one can be a little tricky, but once you have it tight, flip it over and repeat the pattern. So the right strand goes underneath the center strands. You leave it high, creating a loop on the right side. You take the left strand, you go over the center strands and through the loop that you made with your right. Then keep repeating that pattern. You can use as much of the paracord as you like. When you're done, trim the tails and then weave them back through the pattern. To make them extra secure, you could have an adult use superglue or a lighter on the ends to melt them. The last step is to take your carabiner and attach it to the paracord strands at the bottom of your hand sanitizer. Enjoy your germ grenade and stay safe out there. We have a new virtual teen program every week, so follow us at SCPL Teens on Instagram and Facebook for the latest.